In this video, you will see how to insert half horizontal line in Word document. As you can see, I have inserted this half solid line and it's very easy. First, what you need to do is click here on the Insert tab, and under the Insert tab, you will see the option of Shape. Just click on this option and then select the line option under the Lines tab. After selecting, it will be difficult to draw a exactly straight line. So to draw the exact straight line, press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then draw the line. So the line will always be a straight line. After drawing the line, you need to change the color of this line, and to do that, click on the line, right click and then go to Format Shape. Under the lines option here, you will see the option of color. You can click on this pencil icon and select the color of your choice. You can go to the width option as well and select the thickness of the line, for example 5 points, and press enter. If you want this half horizontal line dotted or a dashed one, you can select here next to the dash type. And if you want double line or triple line, you can select that as well from here like this. Once done, just close this Format Shape option, and if you want this line to be of an exact size, you can click on the line, and under the shape format option here you will see the option of width. So this width option is the length of the horizontal line. So we can just enter, for example, 5 centimeter and then press enter to get the 5 centimeter line, and similarly you can change the width in centimeters to control the length of the horizontal line in your Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. These useful videos, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.